Hey everybody, Colin with Buffalo Dent Repair. Today I've got a Cadillac XT5 in the shop, and the owner of this backed into his snowmobile in his garage and it put about 4 dents in the gate of this. So with this, we're actually able to remove the back panel off of it to gain access to the back side so we can get in there and fix the dents. So I'll flip around, we'll walk through how we're able to get the access, get at these dents, and I'll show you the after product of once we have it finished. So we have the back panel removed off of this, and as you can see here, there's several holes to be able to get access around the back of this gate to get at whatever damage might be on the front of it. So these dents are right below where the license plate is. So for that, we can likely get a tool in here or in here to be able to get at the back side of that dent to fix it. And we would fix it with some tools similar to this. We'll have some hammers, some knockdowns, and then tools with tips that might have a rubber cap on it. We have different tips that we can put on there that are, some are metal, some are rubber, different sizes, different tools to basically get at the back side of that dent and massage it out and rework it. Here's what we have when we're done. These dents are all taken out. Everything is all back to normal. Like, you'd never know that these dents were ever there in the first place. Came out fantastic.